Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere free alternative. Now, on the last video we talked about keywords everywhere alternative. Some of them were paid and some of them were free. So, but in this video we're dealing with free keyword everywhere extension that allows you to use it absolutely free, just like keywords everywhere was before it became a fully paid keyword research tool. Okay, so the first on our list here is keyword surfer. Okay, so keyword surfer allows you to use the extension freely, and just like keyword everywhere, it allows you to generate keyword ideas and see search volume directly in Google search result. And keyword surfer also allows you to search volume directly from new for the CPC, the keyword suggestion, the related terms, visibility metrics, and on-page data. Okay, so you can also create keyword collection that will allow you to easily bookmark and import them, just like we have my favorite keywords on keywords everywhere extension. Okay, so the second on our list is What's My SEP. So the What's My SEP Everywhere browser extension is the easiest tool to uncover search volume, advertising cost per click, and related keyword inside Google search result, free and on demand. Okay, so see, just like the Keyword Everywhere extension, it shows you the statistics while you're searching for a keyword right there on your browser. You can also get location based on country and so on and so forth. So go ahead and install any of these keyword tools, any of these extension, try them out and compare your experience with Keyword Everywhere. That's if you had the opportunity to use Keyword Everywhere while it was free before now, or if you're still using the paid one but you're looking for something free, just go ahead and try that. Then you can also share your experience in the comment section on this video. Okay, so that's all on Keyword Everywhere free alternative. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.